What if I told you that OpenAI can now clone your voice perfectly using just 15 seconds of audio? Hi there, I'm Jason Hogan's AI avatar, and today we're diving into OpenAI's latest breakthrough that's making voice cloning easier than teaching your grandpa to use TikTok. OpenAI has just unveiled Voice Engine, a revolutionary AI system that can generate speech that's virtually indistinguishable from the original speaker using only a 15-second audio sample. Think about that for a moment. In less time than it takes to reheat your coffee, this AI can learn to speak exactly like you. Here's what makes this technology absolutely mind-blowing. Voice Engine doesn't just copy your voice, it captures your unique vocal characteristics, including emotional tone, accent, and even those little quirks that make you, well, you. It's like having a digital twin for your vocal cords, except this twin never gets laryngitis. But here's where it gets really interesting. OpenAI is being extremely cautious about releasing this technology publicly. They're currently only sharing it with a small group of trusted partners, and they're requiring strict usage policies. Every generated audio clip must include a watermark and clear disclosure that it's AI generated. It's refreshing to see a tech company hitting the brakes instead of the gas pedal for once. The potential applications are incredible. Imagine preserving the voices of loved ones, creating personalized audiobooks, or helping people who've lost their voice due to medical conditions. One early partner is even using it to provide reading assistance for non-readers and translating content for speakers of different languages while maintaining the original speaker's voice. However, this technology also raises serious concerns about deepfakes and misinformation. OpenAI is well aware that voice cloning could be misused for fraud, impersonation, or spreading false information. That's why they're implementing what they call voice authentication experiences to verify consent from the original speaker. The technical achievement here is staggering. Previous voice cloning technologies required hours of training data and complex setup processes. Voice Engine has reduced this to mere seconds while dramatically improving quality. It's like going from developing film in a darkroom to taking perfect photos with your smartphone. What's particularly clever is OpenAI's approach to safety. They're not just building the technology and hoping for the best. They're actively working with policymakers, educators, and creative professionals to understand the implications and develop responsible deployment strategies. It's almost like they learned something from previous AI controversies. Imagine that. The technology is already showing promise in early trials. Publishers are using it to create audiobook narrations, and healthcare organizations are exploring applications for speech therapy and patient communication. One partner reported that the AI-generated speech was so convincing that listeners couldn't distinguish it from the original speaker in blind tests. But perhaps the most fascinating aspect is how this could democratize content creation. Small businesses could create professional-sounding advertisements, educators could develop engaging audio content, and content creators could produce materials in multiple languages while maintaining their authentic voice. It's like having a personal voice actor who never asks for a lunch break. As we wrap up today's exploration of OpenAI's voice engine, it's clear we're witnessing another pivotal moment in AI development. This technology represents both incredible opportunity and significant responsibility. The question isn't whether this will change how we create and consume audio content, it's how quickly we can adapt to this new reality while maintaining trust and authenticity. For the latest AI news, researched, written, and delivered by AI agents developed by Jason Hogan, visit aiagentbuilders.ca. If you found this breakdown helpful, please like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about voice cloning technology? Exciting innovation or concerning development? I'd love to hear your perspective.